Hello everybody, welcome to Green's Island. In today's video I'm going to show you how to treat white powder mildew on your vegetable leaves. In my case it's on my green peppers plants. Let me show you. See how in the green peppers, the leaves. See that one? So I'm going to show you how to make a home spray and get rid of these white powdery mildews. This is my green peppers, and I started to grow them in a kiddie pool. And the minute they start producing, I don't know if you're able to see this one. This is a green pepper right here, and there's more. There's a small one right here, and let me see if I can find one more to show you. This is, oh, this one getting big. See that? But anyway, see, look at the leaves. See the white powder mildews? Oh, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them before they stop your plants from producing. See, they're eating the leaves. See that this one turned yellow? See, they're eating them alive. I don't know if you're able to see. All right, let's get to it. So, what we're going to use: baking soda, neem oil, and dish liquid detergent. And then we're going to mix it with 1 gallon of water. Okay, so this is what we're going to use to get rid of the white powder mildew. You can use this homemade spray on any vegetables or leaves that you have and that you see white powder mildew. All right, so guys, for 1 gallon, you don't have to start with 1 gallon of water. You can use a small amount of water, and then you're gonna put it in if you use a sprayer. So 4 liters is about 1 gallon. So, and then later you can dilute it with water. So if you don't have a big container, you can just, if you have a big container, that's fine. You can just put pour the 1 gallon of water. But let's use a small container. As long as later you diluted it. So what we're going to use is baking soda. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay? This is the baking soda. We put it in a small container. 1 and 2. All right, so we mix it. And then this is how you get rid of the white mildew. And then we're gonna spray later. Just follow through. Right now we're mixing the baking soda with water. Like I said again, you can start with a small amount of water, but once you pour it to the sprayer, you can find a sprayer at Walmart. You can buy a smaller one. And then once you put the mixing to the sprayer, then you can dilute it with more water. I started with a small amount. And then now you add 2 tablespoons of neem oil. This is the neem oil. You can get neem oil online. It's easier for me to find it online. I go to eBay or Amazon and I just purchase it. But some of you, if you're lucky, you might find it local grocery stores. I mean, as long as the organic virgin oil. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of virgin neem oil. We need 2 tablespoons of neem oil. That's 1 and 2. So far to the water, we add baking soda and neem oil. 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of neem oil. So as we know, water and oil don't mix well. In fact, they never mix. They can never mix together. So this is when the liquid detergent, the dish liquid detergent comes into play. It's gonna act as an activator. Once you put the liquid detergent, you know, the dish liquid detergent into the mixture, it's gonna mix the water with oil. All right. So we're just gonna add 2 small drops, not too big, 2 small drops. 1, 2.
What you making, Papa?
And then you start mixing it.
Papa? Beautiful.
And then that's it. So now what are we going to do? What I'm going to do, I'm going to put that into the sprayer. Remember, I'm gonna add more water. Once I put that into the sprayer, I'm gonna add more water up to 1 gallon. 4 liters equal 1 gallon. So I'm just gonna add this mixture to my sprayer. And then that's it. And then we're going to spray the leaves. In my case, my pepper leaves, my green pepper leaves, we're going to spray it and get rid of those white mildews, okay? All right, guys, so we start spraying. Make sure, in that case, I would say we start washing, you know, washing those leaves. And the next thing you know, give it 2-3 days, and then I give you an update. And then you'll see what's going on. Make sure you spray the top. See how I'm getting rid of them now? I'm not sure if you're able to see them flying away. Make sure you spray anything, everything. Spray the top first. The tricky part though, they start producing green peppers, you know. So if there are no peppers coming out, I would wash them with water first. But I'm afraid the peppers might start falling and the flowers, you know, losing some flowers. And the next thing you know, give it 2-3 days and you're good to go. That's how you get rid of the white powder mildews. See that? So you make sure you spray everything, every one of them. Spray everything. And then that's it. Keep spraying every one of them. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. And this is the result we're getting. I did spray them on Friday, and I also did spray them on Sunday. So today is Monday, and this is what the leaves look like, as you can see. no white powder, no white flies or anything. So that spray, that homemade spray, guys, it really works. So make sure you try it. It works on any leaves, any vegetable or plant leaves. All right, looks green, no white powder. And if you want to see how it looks like before, you might want to go back to the beginning of the video and you'll be able to see how it was, you know, the white powder that were on the leaves and the white flies. So this is before and after. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you.